Hi everyone! I wanted to take a moment here to say a big thank you to everyone who's been supporting the channel and enjoying the practice of Qigong. I have some exciting news to share with you. The Qigong with Kseny membership site is now live. So this project was born as a response to your feedback. You guys wanted more in-depth videos, more structured course formats which you can learn and develop your practice with. On top of what's already available for members today, each month I'm going to be releasing a new video course, as well as some exclusive video tutorials available for members. You can already find a list of the future courses on ksenygray.com. I'm really grateful for the Qigong community we've built together here on YouTube. And I really hope that these new video courses will help you to get into Qigong and develop your practice so you can live less stressful, more balanced and happier life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.